Hello guys, today let's talk about software strategy, how to increase the efficiency of our spray drones. So this is simple. Initially, like skate pilot, experienced pilot, and the new person, new drone pilot is totally different efficiency, even 2 times. We all know well. So nowadays, not much difference because DJI Agras realized and they're trying to give more update features in the software. For example, if you turn it on the smart resumption, so after you finish the drone's one flight, you refill the drone and you will fly back, right? So sometimes your drone will finish far away from you, and after refill, the drone will go that place, right? Instead of flying with the full payloads and going to the resume points very fast, and that wastes your batteries and you cannot finish well. But now if you turn it on smart resume, so the drone just go nearby spots and continue the missions to make sure the drone is efficient and the batteries is used very well. So if you turn it on the smart resumption or smart resumption, you can simply got higher efficiency. So it's in your remote controller. And then number 2, you can also turn it on display tank. So when you turn it on, when you are refilling, you will realize when your drone or your spray tank will be emptied. Then you can customize. Mainly, for example, this how increased efficiency is. When you refill the chemicals, you need to realize how many liters I should get refills. Of course, not all the time is a full tank, especially in the later flight. So you are about to finish, the just balance is only for 32 liters. If you are filling 40 liters, 40, doesn't make sense, right? So you should be filling 32 exactly. Then how you can know 32 enough? Or you just feel like 29, then 3 liter balance, you have to do another flight. So these are so much, things you have to be very cautious. But nowadays, you just turn it on. Display tank empty point, you are refilling, you go see on the remote when my drone will be empty. If you refill more, will be far more, something like this. Then by this way, if you go realize this, you can also increase your efficiency. Also, you can save your battery efficiency as well. And what about another things, how we can also increase efficiency by software. So in the software now, if you are using T40 and T20p, I would suggest you to update your firmware now. And if you are using T50, yes, it's already there. So next is you can also turn it on optimize fly route. Why? Because as we all know, the fly route direction should be parallel to the larger, the longer boundaries. And sometimes it's funny, not every time our boundaries are not every time our boundaries are equal. Sometimes, for example, I have my form like this, that should be the flyback this way, right? Then my form is a different size, perpendicular. Then for this is a longer distance, it's good. But for this, so the flypaths are only parallel. For this will be like this, So this is shorter distance. Instead of this, my drone should fly this way and then also parallel to this. So in one single plot. Yes, that is possible with our software strategy now. You can just turn it on, route direction optimization. The drone will adjust the route automatically. Yeah, we had much more. Like, would you like to divide the plot? Would you like to, walk multi-plot operations? All software strategy is already there in the remote controller. Trying to effectively use your remote controller to increase your efficiency. I hope this software strategy will help you to increase your efficiency. If you have a more clarification or have a more question, I would like to suggest you to leave your comment below, and we'll be there. We will assist you all times. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.